morning show.
You know, some deep breathing and dancing. Matthew as well does it.
Oh, yes. In fact, he was just doing it while he was watching.
He was mimicking the steps, sure.
Well, you know, it's funny. What I've learned from the health news this morning is I can eat all the turkey I want as long as I sleep late.
Right.
And if that doesn't work, maybe a little bit of rumba, you know. So I've got it all figured out how to keep the calories off for the next few days. Right now, we're trying to figure out how to get rid of the fog. There's a patchy dense fog advisory in effect till 8 o'clock this morning. It's still trying to lift around town. Here's a live look at downtown where the sun is up and the fog is burning off a little bit at a time. Clear skies around much of the Lone Star State. A nice day on tap, a warm day on tap. Highs today will be in the mid-70s here in Houston, 80 for Austin, the mid-80s down south, mid-70s up north in the Panhandle. We're going to see a warm day because winds have shifted yet again around the southeast. That means an onshore flow, warmer, more humid. Mild weather for the next several days, highs in the mid to upper 70s to lower 80s, probably well through the weekend. So get ready to sweat this Thanksgiving here in southeast Texas. Good news across the northeast. We are seeing this upper level storm slowly tracking off toward the north, no longer posing problems for the folks in the Carolinas, but it is posing problems for the Macy's Day Parade. They're windy, they're cold, and they're wet. Those balloons may not be able to fly in the parade because it's so windy. Also, a little bit of frozen precip for southern New York, western Pennsylvania, as well as some frozen precip, some snow across parts of the Pacific Northwest. For us, no snow, just lots of sun and warm temperatures, highs in the mid to upper 70s. No mention of rain. Tonight's low 53. Tomorrow's high near 80. 20% chance of rain for Saturday and Sunday, maybe a 30% chance Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, highs will sit in the mid to upper 70s. Lows around the lower to mid 60s. So some warmer weather on tap for the next several days here in Houston. Well, it's now time to go down to... Gosh, I totally went blank. Where are you, Lanny?
Galveston.
Galveston.
Moody Gardens.
There you go.
Thanks, Matt. Warm weather, cold weather, doesn't matter. The Festival of Lights